Transplanted garlic. So I have my garlic over here that I started from seeds. I'm gonna add it to this bed that I had garlic here over the fall, and the garlic is growing. I'm gonna show you in a minute, but I just have to take out a few weeds. Then I'm gonna transplant the seedlings that I just got into this empty spot over here, and it's gonna make the whole bed all garlic. So I'm just making a couple of rows. I'm gonna plant them about 4 to 6 inches apart, so that they have enough space for them to do well, and also have enough space for the bulbs to grow into it. The only other crop I'm gonna have on this bed is just the onions, some bunching onions you see on my left there, and one at the end over there. So those are the only two things I'm gonna have on this bed. If you're liking the video so far, please smash the like button. If you're not following me, subscribe to the channel so that I get notified of all upcoming videos. And also, let me know in the comments below if you're growing garlic, you planted garlic already, or if you planted garlic in the fall. Let me know in the comments below. So this is the garlic that I planted in the fall, and I have some spaces in between them. So I'm just gonna fill up the seedlings in the spaces that I have in between them, so that it's gonna be a complete full bed of garlic. As you can see, I have some leaves, chopped leaves that I put on this bed when I planted the garlic in the fall. The leaves was to protect the seeds that I planted, and also prevent weeds from coming out. And it's been doing a great job of maintaining the moisture and also protecting the soil. And that's how the garlics are doing really great. I'm also still maintaining a 4 to 6 inch between them. After transplanting, you want to also water to make sure that the seedlings stay moist. Also, check out the video on how I planted this garlic last fall. This is it 1 week after planting. You can see they're thriving, they're doing well. That is it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you're not following me, follow me for more videos like this. And don't forget to share. If you like the video, somebody else might like the video, share the video. Thank you so much for watching. Happy growing, everybody.